Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Holden Equinox, stock number 6346. This ran from midnight 2017 in a 12.20. It has an EQ 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the EQ 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,